my dear learners. Welcome to the world of exploration. Welcome to the world of learning. Let's start exploring. Let's start learning. This is Sikriti Joshi and welcome to English Gurukul, the one-stop destination for all of you guys and learners out there, right? So today we are gonna start with the writing skills part, and we would be doing notice for meeting, right? So we are gonna have a look at notice for meeting. Now, these are the things that you need to keep in mind. While writing a notice for a meeting, details needed to be furnished include who has called the meeting. Suppose, you should be aware about who has called the meeting. Suppose a person has called a meeting or your boss has called a meeting. Suppose you're working in an MNC and your boss has called a meeting all of a sudden. Suppose you're working in a school, in an organization, and your principal has, or your principal has called a meeting, right? So who has called a meeting? That's the first point that you need to cover, right? Then date and time, duration of the meeting. What is the date? What is the time? Right? You need to keep in mind what is the date, what is the time, what is the duration of the meeting. Uh, till what time will the meeting last? Right? So the duration, the span, right, and the date and time. Right? What would be the date when you would be having that meeting? What would be the time, because at that time you are supposed to meet, right? So you should be aware about the timing, about the date. Then venue, you should be aware about the venue, you should be aware about the place where you would be meeting. Otherwise, how would you meet, right? You should be knowing. For instance, right now, um if I'm working in an organization, for instance, English Gurukul, right? For instance, I'm working in English Gurukul and I have called, and I'm the director of English Gurukul, and I have called a meeting. Now my employees would be, you know, would have to attend the meeting in English Gurukul. The venue would be, for instance, uh, Zoom, right? The venue would be Zoom meet. It would be a Zoom meeting. So, date and time would be, what is today? State? Uh, yeah, 14th. So 14th. So the date would be 14th, and time would be 3 3 5, right? It could be anything, right? You can furnish anything, right? So if, I mean, the question paper setter can furnish anything, you have to abide by what the question demands, right? If requiring further details, contact person with designation. Now, if requiring further details, you need to contact the person with with the designation. For instance, if I am the director, so that is my designation, right? In English curriculum, right? Where is the cursor? Here. Here. Yeah. Now, purpose or agenda of the meeting should be clear. So when I'm calling out the meeting, that you all need to gather at this particular Zoom, on this particular platform, that is Zoom meeting, and this is going to be our purpose. This is going to be our agenda for meeting. For instance, right now I have gathered, and I'm holding this meeting. So the purpose of my meeting is notice for meeting. So notice is my agenda. Notice is my purpose, right? This is my agenda, that why I have called out this meeting, right? Then we will be talking about details of the persons to attend or departments to attend. Then we would be talking about the persons, the people who have gathered over the Zoom meeting, and the departments. For instance, there are different departments, right? If we talk about MNCs, if we talk about schools, if we talk about any other institution, there are departments, right? So, for instance, in schools, HODs are there, that is head of departments, teach Ds, that is trained teacher, graduate, a teacher, trained teacher, graduate, sorry, trained graduate teacher, then PGT is postgraduate teacher, then HOD is head of department, then the academic coordinator, then the senior coordinator, and then the principal, right? Some institutions have this hierarchy. So then we talk about specific instructions for the persons called for the meeting. So specific instructions have to be, given to those people, have to be given to the persons who have been called for the meeting. So why are you calling them? Obviously, in order to instruct them, in order to discuss the points, in order to discuss about the purpose of the meeting. What is the purpose? For instance, notice writing. In writing skills is the purpose, is the agenda for me to teach you, right? So that is my agenda, being the director of English Gurukul, right? Now let's head on. What is this? Let's move on. Yeah, now let's move on. Now we get to the point wherein we see your Abhishek Avantika of class 12, Swami Vivekanand Public School, being an activity coordinator, not not an academic coordinator, being an activity coordinator, right? There's a difference between the two. Draft notice to all the other activity council members to discuss and plan the activities for 25th December Christmas Day celebrations, right? So you have to imagine, Erin, you have to imagine, right? Whenever we talk about writing tasks, you have to imagine that you are whatever information has been furnished in the question. So you are either, if you are a boy, you are Abhishek. If you're a girl, then you are Avantika of standard 12. And you are studying in Swami Vivekanand Public School. Then you have to forget whatever school you are studying in, ABC or English Gurukul, or you have to forget that. So you're Abhishek Avantika of class 12, Swami Vivekanand Public School, being an activity, and you're the activity coordinator. You need to remember that you are an activity coordinator, and you need to, because you are an activity coordinator, you need to draft a notice to all the other activity council members, because you are the activity coordinator, and therefore there would be activity council members as well, right? So you need to discuss and plan the activities. So you need to discuss. That means agenda is there. You need to discuss. You have the purpose in hand. You need to discuss and plan the activities, right? For Christmas, right? For 25th December, that is Christmas celebrations. Now, when we talk about notice, right? First and foremost, it has to be in a box, right? So it needs to be drafted in a box, right? So it should contain box. Then you have to keep in mind that the name of the institution will come first. That is Swami Vivekanand Public School, Delhi. If the name wouldn't have been mentioned, you could even have written ABC or XYZ School, Delhi, or some other place, whatever, right? But because the name of the institution has been mentioned, so you will definitely write the name of the institution which has been mentioned in the question. That is Swami Vivekanand Public School, Delhi. Then you will leave a line, and then you will write down notice. And then you will again leave a line, and on the left hand corner, you will go and write down the date. That is 6th December 2024. Oh, 2023, 2024, right? You can 2024, because we are in 2024, so you'll write down 2024, right? So 6th December 2024. Right now it's not obviously December, we are just assuming, right? So you have to assume. Then you will again leave a line and you will write down the heading, that is activities for celebration of Christmas Day. So you will be writing down the name of the institution, right? Then you will be moving on, and then you will be writing down the word notice in capital letters, and you will underline it in order to highlight it. Then you will move on to the left hand corner and you will write down the date, and then you will come to the center, and then you will write down activities for celebration, because that is your agenda, right? That is what the main purpose of your meeting would be, right? So activities for celebration of Christmas Day. Activities for celebration of Christmas Day, right? Then you will start. All the activity council members are informed to attend a meeting tomorrow at, now see, have a look at this, at 10:30 a.m. Time is given, right? So time is given at 10:30 a.m., right? In the biology lab. The meeting is called to discuss the activities to be organized for Christmas Day celebrations. Members are expected to come up with their suggestions and ideas along the esteemed cost and all the other necessary requirements. For further details, please contact the undersigned. This you need to keep in mind, that you are supposed to write this. For further details, please contact the undersigned. Clear? Then you will write your name, Abhishek or Avantika if you're the class 12th, and then you will write down activity coordinator, right? So you will write all the activity council members are informed to arrange a meeting tomorrow at, so at 10:30 a.m. and tomorrow has been mentioned, right? In the biology lab. So the place has been mentioned. For instance, I took Zoom meeting to be the venue, to be the place. Wherein biology lab is the venue, is the place, right? This is the time, right? And this is the day, you can say, tomorrow. So all the activity council members are informed to attend a meeting at 10:30 a.m. in the biology lab. The meeting is called to discuss. Now you are going to talk about what is the meeting, why is the meeting being held. So the meeting is called to discuss the activities. So the meeting is called to discuss the activities to be organized for Christmas Day celebrations. Members are expected to come up with their suggestions and ideas along with the estimated cost and all the other necessary requirements. For further details, please contact the undersigned, right? Here, this you need to remember. Here. Now let's move on. Now type 2, this is type 2 of the notice. What is this? This is type 2 of the notice writing, right? Now we get to see notice for events, competition, celebrations, tour, visit, sports, meet, cultural event, etc. So notice for events. So when we are talking about events, it could either be competition or celebration or tour or visit or sports meet, cultural event, so on and so forth, right? Now details that are required over here are who is organizing, occasion, expenditure estimate, last date for depositing the advance, that for this is in case of tour or visit, contact person with designation, who can participate, number of days in case of tours visit, fare cost and other costs included, any specific instructions, right? So details this is what you need to remember, right? Who is organizing? So whosoever, for instance, I am organizing. For instance, English Gurukul is organizing, right? For instance, English Gurukul is organizing, right? The occasion, there's some occasion for which I'm organizing, right? Now, what would be the expenditure, right? When I'm talking about the expenditure, what would be the expenditure estimate, right? Then last date for depositing the advance. What would be the last date for it, for depositing the advance? This is in case of tour or visit, right? Contact person with designation. You would be contacting the person along with the designation. For instance, I am the director of English Gurukul, right? So director would be my designation. Then who can participate? Who can participate? Number of days in case of tours and visit. When we talk about tours or visit, we talk about number of days, right? Fare cost and other costs included, any specific instructions that you need to provide, right? Then we move on to, yeah, you are the secretary of the Environment Club, Dharmik Sandhya School, public school. Write a notice to invite students to the tree plantation drive organized by the club on the World Environment Day, right? So as you can see, I have already put the background, beautiful, serene, picturesque background, because I love environment, I love trees, I love nature, I am a pure, I love nature. I just love nature. I love trees, I love water bodies, I love the beautiful sky, I love the beautiful water bodies, I love protecting nature. I love nature. Okay. So you are the coming back to the topic, right? Coming back to the topic, you are the secretary of the Environment Club of Dharmic of Dhar. So you have to imagine that you are the secretary, right? That you are the secretary of the Environment Club of the which club? Of the Environment Club of which institution? Of Dharmik Sandhya Public Institution, public school. Write a notice to invite students to the tree plantation drive organized by the Club of the World Environment Day. So you will write the name of the institution, that would be Dharmik Sandhya Public School, right? Then you will write down the word notice. Then on the left hand side, you will write down the date. Then you will write down the main motive, that is tree plantation drive. Then you would start off with your body, right? With your content. That would be, all the students are hereby informed that the Environment Club of the school is organizing uh, all the students are hereby informed that the Environment Club of the school is organizing a tree plantation drive on the occasion of the World Environment Day on 5th June date, right? And which club? So all the students are hereby informed that the Environment Club, you need to mention this, of the school is organizing a tree plantation drive on the occasion, you need to mention the occasion of the World Environment Day on 5th June on date. The club needs volunteers to make the drive meaningful and successful. So the club needs volunteers, that also you need to mention, to make the drive meaningful and successful. Interested students of class 12 may register their names with the undersigned by, you need to mention the date if you want. If you don't want, if you don't feel like mentioning the date, it's okay, but it's always good to mention the date. May register their names with the undersigned by 2nd June this date. For further details, contact the undersigned. Clear? Then XYZ Secretary, Environment Club. Your designation is secretary. Go ahead. You're the secretary, right? XYZ is the name, and then environment club is the club. Clear? Then we move on to the next example, right? Next example being write a notice to be published in your school magazine about a charity show in aid of cancer patients. You are Amar Amrita, right? So you will write down the name of the institution over here, Aryamba Public School, Kochi. Then you will write the word notice. On the left hand corner, you will write down the date. Here, charity show for cancer patients, right? Then you will write down this is to inform the students that the charity show will be organized by the cultural club of the school. Whenever any event is organized, it is majorly organized by the cultural club, right? In aid of cancer patients, the details are as follows. So details you can even mention it like this if you don't want to mention over here. Uh, Separately, you can mention date, time, venue, date, venue, time, or date, time, venue. So date would be this, school cultural hall would be the venue, time would be 3 to 6. All interested students may give their names to their respective class teachers latest by 15th November. This also you need to mention that latest by 15th November, you should all be able to give your names. Kindly cooperate and participate to make this show a great success. So kindly cooperate and participate to make this show a great success. For any further details, you may contact the undersigned, our secretary. We will write down the designation secretary, cultural club, right? Okay. So, mm, yeah. Then we have notice for lost and found, right? Then we have notice for lost and found. Now details that are required are article, object lost or found, description of the article like color, size, model, what was the color, what was the size, what was the model, so on and so forth. Whom to contact, a suitable gift, reward for the person who returns the article or the product, writer's name and designation or the class, where you lost or found it, date, time, day when you lost it or found it, right? So that would be the case. Then we move on to sample one. Till here we are gonna do for today. Then we'll just wrap up, right? Because I don't want to stretch the lecture to such an extent that it becomes difficult for you guys also to grasp and understand, right? So let's do it. Ira is the head girl. So Ira is the head girl of Vanastali Public School, Ludhiana. She lost her hall ticket for the board examinations. Now you can very well imagine when you talk about board examinations, it is very important. It is meant to create your life. So she has to put up a notice on the school notice board, draft the notice in not more than 50 words. And notice should always be in like the word limit is set to 50 words and you should not exceed the word limit. That is 50 words, right? So you will write down the name of the institution, that is Vanasthali Public School, Ludhiana. Then you will write down the word notice, right? You have to notice, so notice. Then you will write down the date on the left hand corner. Then lost hall ticket that you would write down over here, lost her hall ticket. Then you will write down the main body, the content. That is, this is to inform all that I, Era Sachdeva, lost my hall ticket for class 12th board examination in the school playground. Where did she lose? In the school playground. This is what you need to mention in the school playground during lunchtime. When? During lunchtime, right? It has my photograph along with my roll number. This is the detail. These are the details, right? that the admit card contains that hall ticket includes the photograph along with her roll number. That is, her roll number is this, right? So anybody who finds it, it is requested to give it to me in the class, in class 12, or to the administrative officer. The person finding it and handing it over will be rewarded. Ira Sachdeva, class 12, right? This is how you write uh, a notice when we talk about lost and found, lost or found, right? Yeah, all right. So, all right. So all of you, uh, wait. Yeah. So, I didn't want to stretch the lecture too much. For now, you people concentrate on, understanding and comprehending what do you actually mean by notice writing, and focus on your writing skills because they will also be responsible in fetching marks, and you need to work hard when it comes to writing skills. Yeah, even for that matter, literature also. And section A, you can work hard by solving some of the questions, but majorly, what I would suggest from my past experience and from my teaching in several prestigious schools, what I have understood is that you should focus more on section B and section C, right? Because those are the areas wherein you can actually improve, right? This is Sukriti Joshi signing off. Till then, let's all keep learning, let's all keep growing, let's all keep doing well in our lives. Bye bye.